Hey everybody, my name's Jared. This is my 2005 Ducati Monster 1000S. I've owned it for about 15 years and it's always been kept in the garage and it has never seen the rain. A few extra things to note on it. It does have the metal tank. Now there were some that had a plastic tank on them. I also have the red key as well as both black keys and the code card that came from the factory. It also has about 13,238 miles on it. I had a full service before I got put away for winter, so all the fluids and belts checked, stuff like that. Also got brand new tires put on it. Still have all the nubs on them. In fact, as you can see, it hasn't been ridden really since it got the service done. It does get started though, just to keep it fresh. A couple extra things to note: it does have a PowerCommander under the seat, as well as a Thinkware 2-channel dash cam. So it has a little bit of extra security just for out riding around town. It also has a built-in garage door opener, which is kind of hard to show you, but it's tucked up underneath the seat. Over here, there's a little garage door button right there that you can program for your garage. Here's the other camera on the back. Beautiful tires, nice, clean. It has an open clutch, so it has an amazing Ducati sound. But I wanted to give you a cold start here just to show you so you can hear it. Again, it's nice and cold. Just pulled it out of the garage so you can just get a good feel for it, but which is beautiful. Kind of hard to see the mileage, but anyway, thanks for checking it out. I have a clean title in hand. Also does come with the Dynamoto stands if you're interested. If not, we can negotiate about those, but they're set for it, just to make it nice and easy to move around no matter which direction you want to push around in your garage. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. It's a beautiful bike, but unfortunately life circumstances says time to let it find a new home. Somebody's gonna love it and ride it.